Come on.
Over
The
here,
tricks and
customer.
trades have
We
seen
have
your
trinkets.
boost.
Don't forget, there's a sale 50%
Come
off.
over
Only
here.
buying 2 items.
We have lovely
Wonderful,
things for you to
wonderful.
purchase. Gifts from paradise. Gifts from paradise. Please open your heart to the blessing that is paradise. We promise you will not regret it. Oh, ah, how lovely. It's nice to see another interested in paradise and the gifts it has to offer. Please do not be dissuaded by my species. While kitsunes are known for their trickery, I can assure you all my items and my tales are true. You are correct. It is hard to believe, isn't it? A place where a million little different miracles happen. Where no wars are. No strife. It's something out of a human fairy tale, you could say. But the thing about magical beings is the impossible becomes possible. A lie. Oh, a feisty non-believer. Again, I can't fault you too much. The non-magical realm is harsh, and the stories they tell about us magical creatures, or perhaps you like to call us creatures, cryptids, monsters, yokai, perhaps. Some rather nasty terms such as demons are even used. All human terms, though. They mean nothing to us. We're all the same, you know. All made of the same magic. Wild magic. Never heard of it? Oh, no. Do not make me laugh. It's not like human magic. Not even close. Let me calm down a second before I explain. Oh no, I doubt you've even seen wild magic. Why? Well, for starters, not many humans come around these parts. My customers are usually of the hybrid type. Half magic, half human. On the rare occasion, a dragon or two will be looking for something shiny and magical to show off to their horde. Dragons are like that, you know, so prideful. No, I don't mind. It's great for business. You humans are a rare price yourselves around here, you know. Yes, I am implying that there are a few thousand creatures salivating from your scent alone. Oh, you're a hunter now, are you? Well, you know what they say. The hunter becomes the hunted. So it is true what they say. Humans can be chilled to the bone so easily. There is no need to be frightened, little human. Hold on there. It's your lucky day. I am quite fond of unique customers. Oh, do I have items for you, my hunter friend? And they're also imbued with mild magic. A 2-for-1 deal. You'll finally get to see what mild magic can do, and get some hot armor, weapons, potions, whatever your little heart desires. I'll even give you a discount. How's that? Perfect? I thought so. Now, hold still, darling. This might be a little tight at first. Close your eyes. Oh, come now. Trust me, darling. What is a partnership if there's no trust? Close your eyes. Close, close, close. There you go. Good. Relax, 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 relax. Trust me. Breathe in and breathe out. Ah, there we are. And wouldn't you know, a perfect fit. Well, you see, darling, what you have on right now? It's a full set of grade A wild magic armor. Oh, no, no, no. This isn't the armor you're used to. Far from it. This armor was made by our very own blacksmith in paradise. She is the best at what she does. Do you want to know a secret? It's Drider weakening. AKA, unlike before when a Drider would gobble you up in one bite, now they're weak to you. They can still harm you, but oh my, it is very hard to do so. It's like fighting a Drider on easy mode. Perfect for hunting, right? You'll get to bring many trophies home. I'm sure all of the ladies will be so impressed. Now, before you get too excited, this armor is best for the Forbidden Forest area. It also repels those pesky tree monsters that seem to always want to ruin someone's nice afternoon walk. Speaking from personal experiences, for a normal human, those monsters can be quite deadly, but for you now, you don't have to worry about them at all. Oh, me, I'm fine. There's a reason why I called them pesky. To seal the deal, the armor is made with a strong Kevlar. No bronze or bulky steel that would give away a hunter's position. You'll be a shadow in the night, with all the protection that steel gives, but without the sound. You'll take it. Oh, perfect, and what glorious coins. You truly are a person after Kitsune's heart. Would you like another heavily discounted item? What is armor without a weapon? Do you prefer bows or swords? Right. Most hunters do prefer bows. I was just wondering if you were more of a hands-on hunter. No shame at all. I have a surprise for you. Bones, let me see. Hold on for a second. Now, where did those balls go? Aha! There you are, you pesky little things hiding from me. I am back now. You see, these arrows are the complement to your new armor. These arrows can pierce through snake scales and soar straight, even through harsh, windy weather. Your bow will always shoot true. Oh, and once fired, they glow so you can find and reuse them. They're hard to break as well. Not unbreakable, but you'd have to shoot a stone golem for them to crack. Good, right? People can call me many, many names, but they can't say that I don't know my clientele and that I don't know how to sell an item. Especially when they're so cute. Don't blush. I'm just being honest. After all, I haven't lied to you yet. Why start now? Oh dear, it does look like a storm is coming in. And just when we were getting to the good part. Well, you aren't going back, are you? Where do you live? Oh dear, that's far too far. You'll get trapped, and storms here aren't like your usual rain. For example, green lightning, razor-sharp winds that cut through the snake scales I mentioned earlier. Even dragons have to lie down to make sure they don't get hurt. Oh, do not fret, my darling human. I never leave a customer hanging. Especially a potential repeat one. Bad for business, you know? It looks like it's your lucky day again. You've gotten a free ticket to paradise. Follow me and hold on tight, cutie. If we're going to make it to paradise before the first acid raindrop, then we have to do something a little unusual. We have to go the magical way. Oh, relax. It'll be fun.
Well. Look at what we have here. Young Chris said we had a new visitor. Oh, and you even bought some of our treasures. Welcome to paradise. That was your cue to tell me your name. Don't worry. Shh. No need anymore. I'll just give you a nickname. Might be better that way. Now, let me think. Dear? No, too formal. Cutie? No, too basic. Angel? No, you're a hunter. Far from an angel in most eyes. Well, you are an interesting case, aren't you? Amor. Well, that could be fun, but I don't know. I've got it. Love bug. Yes, love bug. No need to talk. Shh. I've already decided. Oh, love bug, what a perfect name for a perfect human. Now, Lovebug. Oh, where are my manners? I'm Ivy, the second in command around here. Your personal guide to paradise. I suppose I should give you the whole shebang, shouldn't I? Well, first, we have a crystal lake. You can see all the way down to the bottom. It shimmers, too. Hence why it's called a crystal lake. It's so fresh and relaxing. You know, some even said it was the fountain of youth. Now, don't go asking people around here their age, you know. Just a little warning. Oh, and that lake, it's accompanied by a glorious, relaxing waterfall. Fresh water all the time. Oh, I will have to bring you a sip. Well, I suppose I should do it after you're introduced to everything. No, what else is there? Oh, there's so many little millions of miracles that it's hard to pinpoint just one. Oh, yes, the meadows. As far as the eye can see. They're lush, full of all different kinds of forageables, sweet berries. We have orchards, bountiful gardens, excellent fishing, and, well, of course, hunting. That's your specialty, so I've heard. You know, we could use a hunter. Don't get me wrong, we had skilled hunters, but a lot of them have come to age and left to make their own paradise. New settlements, new life, the same old cycle. The cycle of life, silly. We have to make new paradises. What's better than one paradise? Two. Little pockets of good luck. Oasis. Oh, but you see, all of them leaving to create that, it's left us a little short. And from what young Chris said, you're skilled with a bow. Oh, do I sound like a leader trying to sell you something, hun? Apologies, but I am. Young Chris also told me that you were cute. Quite beautiful, even. All right. I'll get to the point. Please, Lovebug, we'd love to have you here. To stay. Our ladies here are very lonely. Empty nesters, you know. I'm one of them. Oh, yes, MILFs. That's what you call us. And I've heard that humans so do enjoy us. I hope you don't mind sharing or being shared. You know, I've already got 12 members interested in pursuing a relationship with you. Young Chris and I are included. You'll have free lodging and they'll be able to join us on hunts. Free armor, etc., etc. Oh, I do have some other stuff to sweeten the deal if you... Where do you sign up? Just like that? No further negotiations? Well, okay then. The women will be ecstatic to hear that, as I am also ecstatic to hear that. When can you meet them? Well, aren't you eager? I like you, you know, and I'm sure everyone will like you too. I had to pry you away from young Chris, you know. This will be her first time creating a nest, so she's more than eager. No, don't worry, you don't need to rush into anything. Just be forewarned that some are more eager than others. Honestly, I don't even think eager is the right word anymore. Like vicious, starving animals. And you, my dear love bug, are a freshly cut slice of meat. How about a wagyu steak? Yes, and you're just hanging out, ready to be pounced on. Don't worry. Nor I or our leader will let them tear you apart. Oh, that leads me to believe I have so much paperwork to do. I need to take you to our leader right away. By the time you two are finished discussing specifics, we should have your home fully furnished and with welcome baskets galore. Follow me and be sure to have fun, love bug.
Ah, I was wondering when you'd show up. Well, I've heard all about you. Word spreads fast in paradise. Relax, take a load off. It's been a big day for you, Meeting a kitsune, going to a place only few have ever had the grace of hearing about. And then to top it all off, being told a whole town is chomping at the bit to have a taste of you. In a good way. But it's still quite a lot to take in. Personally, I was hoping to gradually introduce you to everyone and then give you the option to stay as our consort of sorts. However, I underestimated how eager the village was. I curse myself. It's been so long since we had our empty nests that I forgot how restless everyone gets. Though, do not fret. I will ensure your safety. How old am I? Now, love bug. That's what Ivy called you, correct? Don't you know it's rude to ask a woman's age? To give you a hint, this village has been around for quite some time. It is not the first paradise, but close enough. And I am not the first leader. But that's enough hints for today. Back to the subject at hand, love bug. You need to drink this. It's a mana potion. Don't you recognize it? Trust me, with the way our lovely villagers are acting, you're going to need the strength. Speaking of which,
maybe one isn't enough. Ivy said there was 12 of our villagers just now, and I'm sure with word spreading like wildfire, it's going to be a lot more by the time we're done. Perhaps everyone but the elders will be knocking at your door. It's truly going to be an event. Perhaps we'll have to make this day a holiday to celebrate your union with us. Now, I do have some questions. Let us begin. Drink up. By the time we're done with this questionnaire, the potion should have settled in. Hopefully, we'll have settled in. For your sake and mine. First, do you have any preferences in women? Any deal breakers? For example, do you prefer blue eyes or brown? Long hair, short hair? Oh? No preference. Just women. All women are good, the more the merrier? What a lovely sentiment. And one that will shortly come true. We have women of all shapes and sizes. Arctic foxes, red foxes, gray foxes. They're all 23 and up, so don't worry about that. Though I do hope you like MILFs. Most in the village have already had kits before. Quite the doting bunch. I hope you also like being spoiled. From your grin, I can tell that you do. Don't think you will get away from hunting duties, though. It could be great bonding time. And you'll need to be a functioning member of the village. Both valuable things, With all of the prospects and the fact you'll be living here for the rest of your life, perhaps hunting will provide some valuable time to get to know everyone. Different shapes and sizes and, well, vastly different personalities. I think getting to know each one of them personally would be for the best. And a little bit of forewarning. Don't try and play favorites. Some of our ladies can be quite jealous. Though I think jealous is not a strong enough word. Yes, quite yandere-ish. They have no problem with sharing, but the second you show preference, it might get a little dicey. Oh, do not worry. That's why I am here. Surely I can make a schedule that'll be satisfactory to everyone involved. Well, that's why I'm the leader. Other personalities? Well, I'll be glad to explain. We have the yanderes, the kuderes, but I don't think we'll have many of them right now. Most of them are elders now. We do have one or two kuderes. Hence why I said you should get to know everyone. They're a little bit more shy and reserved, but once you crack open that shell, you probably won't be able to get them off of you. Dere we have bountiful amounts of. Most of us here are Dere, full of love and affection, just wanting to dote over our new love bug. Me? What am I? I'm not sure. I don't know what little Dere type I'd fit into. That's what you think? Well then, I accept your opinion of me. We'll see if you're right shortly. Oh, that little shine that you have says that the potion is ready. What joy. And, if I'm thinking correctly, Ivy should have your new room ready. It's in the middle of the village. A lovely mansion. Well, you're going to need that much room. You think these ladies are going to be staying at their own houses when they have their love bug waiting for them? Oh, naive human. You really have no idea what you're in for, do you? That's all right. How about I give you a little taste? We need to make sure that mana potion is working after all, and what kind of leader would I be if I didn't make sure that our love bug was in tip-top shape? Oh, I'm so glad you agree, Lovebug. Now how about you come here? There's only one way to test if that potion worked.